Hey everybody, this is Dave Hayes from Hayes Tech and ROM Reviews. I just wanted to let you guys know that there was an update to the Nvidia Shield Pro, or the Nvidia Shield streaming system, the box, TV box, and it's version 7.2. I just got it, and we're going to go over it real quick. Alright, let's take a look and see what Nvidia gives us with this new update. So what we're going to do is, I've already downloaded, so instead of restarting, I'm going to go into what's new. We're going to go there, and I'm going to let you guys read this. I am recording this on my GoPro Hero 5, and I'm hoping that I have all of this in frame. But a lot of things upgraded with connectivity with your home systems like Google Home, Alexa. Those were major updates, so I'm not going to read everything, but I will scroll down through this slowly. You guys may want to pause on some of this to read it. I don't want this to be a long video, but I am going to I'll touch on some of the highlights now. Amazon Music, if you guys have a Prime membership like I do, and you have music on Amazon, you can now stream through this, so that's pretty cool. There were YouTube updates. I think Voodoo had some updates in here too, and Google Assistant adds podcast. Yes, I thought I saw Voodoo updates. A lot of things were updated. Games. So if you guys have a gaming system, your Nvidia, like say you have an Nvidia, video card in your computer, and you have an Nvidia account running a lot of their games, and you have your system tied into your computer, a lot of updates for that. I think that was Call of Duty, Black Ops 4. My grandson just got that on his PlayStation 4. I don't have a system tied into this. Again, I'm not a gamer. My grandson could probably explain a lot of this much better than I could, but he has a PlayStation 4, an Xbox One, and I think he still has an Xbox 360, I think. These are the games that you can play right on the Nvidia. You can download just like a game on your phone that you download from the Play Store. This is Nvidia's own games, so these are updates and added games with this update. These are other enhancements. Again, I'm not going to read them all. I will let you guys just kind of go through that. If you want to pause it, so you can read through it fine. So anyways, guys, that is what is included with the update. Again, this isn't going to be a long video. I just want to let you guys know the update's out. This is what is in the update. For those of you that have the Nvidia Shield streaming device hooked to your TV, whatever, I do have the Pro with the 500 gig internal storage, and I love it. It's my favorite media device. Okay, let's go over this and see what everything looks like. We're going to go ahead and scroll down. This all looks about the same. It didn't change any of my settings. It did update all three of my controllers. Nvidia Games, there are some of the new games, plus some of the games I have already installed. Looks like they threw YouTube for Kids on. I'll see if I can take that off. Pluto has its own section now. Voodoo has 3-4 different sections. That's weird. Spotify is now on there, and along with Twitch. And now on the bottom they have that customized channels. If you click on that, you can go ahead and customize the channels that you have showing on your home screen. But you could also get into it the way I'm going to show you. That is through settings. And we're just going to go ahead and go down through this real quick. They have the sleep now, restart. I wish that was on the home screen instead of having to go into settings. That would be really nice, but I see they didn't fix that with this update. And I do know that they were running Oreo before. That came with that 7.0 update we got, and then I think 7.1 with some fixes. And now this one actually has some usable stuff in it. Network, you have your display and sound, system, apps. We're going to go into system quick, have a look at this. LED brightness, your processor mode, USB, Nvidia Share, custom quick settings, which is what I showed you on... Well, no, this is the quick settings, actually. I don't have... Oh, right there. Let me... No, that's already on. So, click that on... That on, see if that changes. So let's go back, see where my quick settings are, which are up here. Anyways, we are going to go ahead and go down to well, let me check display and sound. I don't think anything changed in the display and sound at all. I think it's all the same. They just came out with some fixes, and of course the Voodoo, and they did add in the workability with Google, you know, and Alexa and all that, the home systems. So that's pretty cool. I want to go to about. We're going to go ahead and look at this so you guys can see exactly what it is. So we're going to go down to version. And of course, it's, if I click on that a lot, it's going to bring up the Oreo thing. Security patch November 5th, 2018. And that is about it for that. You have your date and time, language, keyboard, home screen, get in there, and you can reorder your apps and everything just like I showed you on the home screen down at the bottom. You can do it in here as well. And that's about it. Developer options. Accessories. It did update all of my accessories, which I think is pretty cool. I'm actually using the new one now. And guys, that's it. That is the update for the Nvidia Shield Pro to 7.1.2. That's about it, guys. Again, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. You hit that notification icon to get a notification of my videos as soon as they're released. That way you don't miss any of them.